Hi, my name is Seth Brumond. I'm a math teacher at Lee Summit West High School, and I'm going to be your summer school instructor here for this online Algeo 2. A little bit about me. I have 4 kids, and I am currently working on my doctorate. I'm getting a PhD in curriculum instruction with education as my emphasis. Just as a heads up about me personally, this summer I am available for help in this course. My office hours, which is kind of weird because it's online, but my office hours are 7 to 9 a.m. That's when I'm checking email, that's when I'm responding back, that's when I'm doing work for this particular course. Things that you just need to know is kind of a quick overview. The course pacing and the calendar, make sure you're aware of that. Make sure that you know that this course does go fast. Make sure that you're keeping up to date with everything. And if you need any help, email sooner than later. If you need some guidance, if you're having some difficulty with things, know that I am just an email away. And I'm here for you to be successful, and I want you to be successful. If you have any questions, you need anything, reach out, and I'm here to help. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.